Tell me, can you feel my heartbeat? Tell me, as I kneel down at your feet. I knew there would come a time when these two hearts would entwine. Just put your hand in mine forever. For so long I have been an island where no one could ever reach these shores. And we've got a whole lifetime to share, and I'll always be there, darling, this I swear.
So please believe me, for these words I say are true, and don't deny me. Yeah, a lifetime loving you. If you ask, will I be true? Do I give my all to you? Then I will say I do.
I'm ready to begin this journey.